This pond might be a little too muddy for a black and blue spinnerbait. I might have to put on a white one. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna go tie on a white spinnerbait. I don't think they can see this. There we go. There we go. I knew they were little. I knew they were tiny. There we go. We're on the board at least. There we go. That tiny little bass. Tiny little guy. All right. Look at the size of that goose. My goodness. And look at the size of that mallard. Oh my God. That mallard's as big as the goose. Yo, we got a bite. Oh my God, he's tiny. That's a green sunfish. No wonder. That explains all the little pecks we were getting. I can't believe we caught a green sunfish on this damn thing. That explains it. This guy's mouth is actually on par with that little bass we caught, because this is a pretty good size green sunfish and that was a tiny bass. So there he goes. Perfect cast. Oh my goodness. And it got bit. I got a bite right there. There's one. There's one. Little bitty. Another tiny little fish. This might even be the same fish. Look at that. No, you know what? I don't think it's the same fish, because I think this one's even a little smaller, believe it or not. Little tink. Whatever hit me over there was way bigger.